ZANU-PF Secretary for Legal Affairs Patrick Chinamasa has been named as one of the senior officials expected to preside over Manicaland's preparations for the ruling party's 22nd National People's Conference, where the province has formally revised the ED 2030 agenda, a push to extend President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule beyond the current constitutional limits. Sarabina Mashukwan Branguzi Chinamasa Pangwa Ine, what they call the front man, Iwa, to push ED 2030 plan. Don't go subscribe or like or on the bell icon. The move comes as factional battles over succession once again take center stage in ZANU-PF. Rivals camps, particularly mnangagwa's loyalists and those aligned to the Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, are jostling for influence ahead of the Mutare conference in October. For years, the party has struggled with internal divisions over leadership renewal. The succession tensions dating back to the dramatic 2017 ouster of the late Robert Mugabe. In Manicaland, the provincial structures recently convened meetings that produced two headline resolutions extending Mnangagwa's presidential tenure beyond 2030 and adopting a red line stance against drug and substance abuse. While supporters frame the ED 2030 agenda as a popular demand, party insiders caution that it risks deepening divisions. Critics argue the plan undermines internal democracy and is designed to block potential successors, with the Chiwenga's allies particularly uneasy about the push. Alongside the succession resolution, Manicaland leaders also prioritized the crackdown on drug abuse, including calls for stiffer penalties and probes into alleged complicity by security and political elites. Preparations for the 22nd National People's Conference, scheduled for October 13 to 18 at Mutare Polytechnic, are nearly complete. The conference is expected to draw 4,000 delegates, raise $5 million in funding, and feature accommodation, catering, and infrastructure upgrades already in place. SMEs will also be allowed to operate under controlled commercial arrangements during the event. Domba developments are pangwa ine tuze mafunguro enyu motokude pamusoro pechitiko ichi this upcoming ZANU-PF annual conference. Paneko message yemedu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, on the bell icon.